Hello and welcome to Balloon Art Online. I'm balloon artist Barak Dagan, and today we're gonna learn how to tie a modeling balloon. So let's see, how can we tie a modeling balloon easily? The first thing you need to do is to inflate the balloon. Let me give you just a little tip. Use a pump. Don't try to inflate those balloons with your mouth. I'll make another video about it, okay? Well, anyway, take this balloon and now we will create a shape of a triangle here, okay? And we're gonna hold the nozzle of the balloon with those two fingers and your thumb. You don't need to use those two fingers. Now let me show you a problem that I see all the time in my classes. After inflating a modeling balloon, some of the people find that there is no nozzle to tie. The nozzle is so short that it is impossible to tie a knot with it. So what can you do? If you have this kind of short nozzle, the easiest solution is to grab the inflated part of the balloon here, firmly, and then leave those two fingers and let the air out. Now the nozzle is very long. Now take your other hand and place it just in the middle of the triangle. Grab the nozzle of the balloon from this side and pull the nozzle all the way to the triangle and then place it between your two fingers. The only thing we need to do now is to take this part of the nozzle and pull it over the nozzle of the balloon, okay? Just like this. And that's it. Now keep in mind that you don't have to pull the nozzle to stretch the knot. There's no need to do this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please check my website. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.